we are out in the forest. It's a couple of days before Christmas and perfect gravel weather. So great. I put on these today, these muffs, and I modified them so I can use the Oxford grips on the throttle side. So I've just cut it out here. So nice to have these on. It's perfect gravel weather, 7 degrees, a bit moist. I figured I wanted to take you on some normal riding in my area. Just what I like to do when I have some hours in my schedule, going out, having some fun, letting out some steam on the gravel roads. I mean, this is what it's all about, just coming out. Doesn't need to be much, just a couple of hours. getting out of the system, getting some fresh air, don't having any thoughts in the head. Woohoo! Big potholes there. Just look at this. So much fun. And if you think the lighting is bad, this is about as bright as it's get now in December. But it's getting brighter and brighter each day, so that's good. It feels so good to be out. I hope the winter can be this mild, so we don't have any minus degrees too many days of the year or next year, because 7 degrees is perfect. You just have to dress accordingly, and when you ride in the forest you get hot anyway, at least me, how I ride. So just get out there and do it. I don't even have the heated grips on now, I see, because these muffs just take all the wind. So I'm really glad that I modified them so I can use them again. I used them on my 701 before. They work really great. A good combination. So you can take these ones sometimes, and then you can take some heated gloves another time, especially on my cruiser. I don't know how it is for you guys, but I really get mental clearness, so to say, when I'm out in a forest like this. Just me and the bike, doing some filming, having some adrenaline, and just taking it easy sometimes also. It's so much fun. Let's go back up. This is mental clearness, guys. This is what it's all about. Oh yeah, so nice. Let's go in here and take it slow, because it's super slippery. I'm not quite sure what we have underneath here. Probably just gravel. So beautiful. Quite a long ways down there. Don't want to slip. This is like ice, this green stuff. Let's go and explore a little bit. It's so dark. I mean, this is the middle of the day, but doesn't get much brighter than this in December. But we're moving to brighter times. I have a little stream here. So now I've had some mental clearness. I've been out in the woods riding for some hours. So nice. Just getting out outside on the bike in the forest. Not having any thoughts after a stressful week. It's nearing Christmas and you really need these kind of breaks to relax and get the mind to a different, more relaxed state. That's how it is for me at least. So this is much needed, really much needed.